To remove saved cards from Target account. First, let's simply head over to your browser that you're using, or you may just open the Target application if it is available on your region. For now, I'm using Chrome. So tap on the application. Now go to the search bar and type in Target and hit search. Now tap on the first website that appears, their official website. Now you just have to navigate to your profile. Simply tap on your profile icon right over here. Then simply tap on My Target, Manage Account right over here. Now this is your account interface. Now scroll down and there will be your account section, and here you'll find My Payments. There will be your payments option that you have or you may have set up. Simply tap on Payments, and it is from here that you will be able to add a payment card or remove a payment card. If you just have a card that is already entered, simply tap on the remove card. That will be available right over here under payments. But if you want to add, simply tap on add payment card. And that's it, guys. In this way you can easily remove saved cards from your Target account. Thank you for watching this video. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.